Hi, I'm Taylor with BTOD.com. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble the BTOD Bantam Petite Chair. Place tapered end of the pneumatic cylinder into the base. Place 3-piece black plastic cover over cylinder. Be sure that the top of the cylinder extends approximately 1 inch through the top of the telescopic cover. Place seat assembly onto the top of the cylinder, connecting the cylinder chrome shaft into the center point of the mechanism. Press down firmly. Insert chair back and back post into angled slot at the rear of the chair mechanism. Attach the backrest using 3 or 4 screws that are provided depending on your mechanism. Tighten the screws with the Allen wrench that is included. Sit firmly on the chair to lock in the components. And that is how you assemble the BTOD Bantam Petite Chair. If you do have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.